Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all, we have here Google Play and we have Temu here by As a Millionaire, and you have here over than $100 million. You can just install it, or you can use also the browser and dive into temu.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over orders and account, and then you sign up with you writing your email address and your password, and then you get started with Temu. So Temu is a great platform for you. By leveraging its user-friendly features, you can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So this is how you can start with Temu. But if you want to become an affiliate program, all I have to do is just participating in affiliate marketing or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable venture. So you can just tell people once you start with Temu by clicking on my link, and you will get $100 and you buy whatever you want. So let's scroll down here, and right now I will show you how you can become an affiliate program. So you go for affiliate and influencer earn commission. You'll find this page. As you can see, you have here affiliate in the influencer program, and you have the first thing here, earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer, and substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers to learn how to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. Then you click over get started here and you start with Temu. So the first thing that you have to do right now is just scroll down. We have also here high commissions, exclusive sale price, and trusted brand. Then we have here empower affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. We have here authorized influencers, and we have here websites. As a user authorized to our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including our website. You have as a registered website, affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. You have here 20% commissions, generous commissions based on orders, and you have here abundant credits, access a wealth of credits for additional perks. Have you used tailored bonuses, receive rewards for every user download. You have high commission rates, benefit from generous commission rates on orders, and you have tailored benefits, adjustable commissions that match your performance. So right now, it's scrolling down here, and we have here over than 3,000 people have joined us, and we have here activities with rich rewards for all affiliates. We have here affiliate extra rewards, and we have here referral extra rewards. About here we have day win, and we have per week earn also, and about referral extra rewards we have here $100 coupon bundle new app users. Also, we have a free gifts, new app users. About the first one, we have can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after the initial download. We have your new app users. Maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. And the last information we have here, how to start with the Temu affiliate program. We have the first one, which is join, share, and earn. About the first one, join, enlist in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have the second one, which is share. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last one, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversions rates for maximum earnings. So right now I will show you how you can get started with that and how you can share the link and in fact convince people click over your link. So The first app we have here is TikTok. To earn money on Temu or TikTok, you have just to start by creating a catching videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or videos captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchase, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok. As you can see, we have also here some examples for this one. You don't need to show your face. I have just to show the products. And right now let's move into the Pinterest. So to make money through Pinterest, you have just to create visually appealing pins that highlights popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on the niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly update your posts with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Pinterest. Right now, let's move on to the next solution, which is Reddit. So to earn money on Temu.Reddit, you have just to join relevant subreddits where you can share products, recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items, and include your affiliate link. Following subreddit rules, then engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Then use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases to your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Reddit. And let's move into Instagram and YouTube and how you can start creating content with this. To earn money on Temu, Instagram, and YouTube, you have just to start by creating engaging content that showcases popular products. On Instagram, you can just post eye-catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, all you have to do is create unboxing videos, review or tutorials, plus in your affiliate link in the video description. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on these sales. So, leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, and Instagram or YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu. By creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate link, you can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So, I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business types tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead. So this is how it works with Temu. You can just start today and you earn your commission.